So we're taking off in the 1990 one-ton crew cab 7.3, and we're heading out to the field. Actually been in the field for, I don't know, three or 4 days, I think. Three days, 4, I don't know. 2-3 days, I think. Anyway, I've been driving this back and forth. I gotta tell you, I really like this truck. The darn thing, a little loud because the exhaust is cut off of it, but the darn thing really does drive good. And I think I'm gonna, after harvest we'll be putting on anhydrous. But then after that, I think I'm gonna get to work on this truck. I really enjoy driving this thing. Anyway, let's go get in the tractor. We got to head out to the field. Alright, so there's my office for the day. I got to run inside the building here and get a can of chain lube. Put this stuff in the tractor first. Got my lunchbox and a sweatshirt. Don't need a sweatshirt right now as it is rather warm out. Throw that up in there and set that in there. And need to find a can of chain lube. Be right back. Alright, got my can of chain lube. We're ready to rock and roll. And let's see, I guess I'll just put this down here.
Your economic impact payment per child this year.
Need to turn my brightness up on this a little bit. Let's see, where's display? Is that it? Brightness, brightness, brightness. That's it. Whoops. The heck is it? Oh, right there. There we go. There's the pretty blue truck. Alright, so where we're going today is, it's off over that direction. Oh gosh, must be, let's see, 1, 2, 4, must be 5 or 6 miles off that way, and it's southeast of here a little ways. So get out on the road here and we'll get rocking and rolling. Take her kind of easy here for a little while, let her warm up. Get out to the field. This here's the bin site we're going to be hauling to. One of our other tractors. I don't think we'll probably need that now anyway. And unloading right there. And we got people talking on the radio. We all made it over to this field. We did some of this last night. It's, I think we're over halfway done here. But I got one dump in my wagon. I haven't recorded anything over here yet. But we're going. So this isn't going to take too much longer to finish up, and I'm not sure where we're going after that, but I know we're going somewhere. Well, I got my wagon full and I'm headed to the bins now. I meant to have the camera on when we were filling the wagon, and didn't quite happen. Seems like I do that a lot when we first get in the field. Anyway, I guess they're widening, must be widening the shoulders on this road or something. I don't know what they're doing. I think next year they're going to repave this road. And earlier they replaced all the culverts that go underneath of it. Darn thing was bumpy to begin with. Or rough riding, especially in a tractor with a loaded wagon behind you that weighs about 50,000 pounds. But and I'll show you what I'm talking about here in just a second. Here's one coming up here where they replaced the culverts. Really, the ones I've gone over so far haven't been too bad. Not sure about this one. A little rough, not horrible though. This tractor handles bumps a little better than the other tractor we have out running around right now. But anyway, I gotta start slowing this girl down. So it is the next day. Just got up here to the bin side. I got to turn the hydraulics on here to open the wagon door. It'll be a rather warm day today and tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. We'll get this auger going here. Like I could back up just a smidge. That looks good. should have gone a little more, I guess, but that'll work. Not in a big rush to get back out to the field. We end up sitting out there waiting quite a while, so that's good. I don't know how full that bin's getting. I'll check it out. Like it's about 3.5 rings from the top, so 1, 2, 3, can't really see on my camera, somewhere right down in there. So a little over half full, I guess. So the field we're in is just about, I don't even know if I'll have to go back out to that field, and then I'm not sure where we're going, but we got a bit to do yet. And there's no chance of rain in sight as far out as the forecast goes, so we're gonna get a lot done here in the next week or so. I'm ready to get going on corn. Much rather do corn than soybeans. That's all there is to that. So, get back into our office here. And away we'll go as long as I don't run over that. Nope, I'm good. Shut off the hydraulics for the door. And we're out of here, back to the field. And away we go. So we made it back out to the field. Not much left here. Gonna get finished filling that wagon way down there, if you can see it, about halfway through the field. And I don't know if the rest of it, I'm betting the rest of it's gonna go on my wagon. We'll see. Well, we're in the next field now. This is, we call this a schoolhouse 40. Not a real big field, it's only 40 acres, and it's called the schoolhouse 40 because there used to be a one-room schoolhouse here years and years ago, but this won't take very long to knock out of here, and then we'll be off to another one. Well, we about got this field finished up, and I'm going to be going through a bunch of dust here. I think I'm going to go up here on top of this hill, and we'll unload going this way. Just did a quick little update from this same field. This field right in here, it's rather wet most of the year. There's quite a few weeds that grow up in here, but anyway, I'm gonna get up here on top of this hill, and this will be the first dump in my wagon. Not much left. All we have is here, and just from here over to the road. Well, not even to the road. Already been a couple passes done over there. So Not a whole lot left. This might be my last load. Probably will be my last load out of this field. And I'm not sure where we're going after this, if we're going anywhere. It's probably close to, it'll be 8 o'clock or so by the time we get all done, I think. Anyway, hang on. So getting my wagon, first dump in my wagon, which I might need to speed up again just a little bit here. Dirty, dirty, dirty. But it's gonna be getting dark here pretty soon, and may end this video on you here shortly. So I'm going back to the other end. Yeah, a little dusty, not much wind. I imagine it's gonna get tough kind of early. Yeah, just a little. I need to get out of this dust here. There we go. Anyway, I'm heading back to this end, and I'll get one more dump in this wagon, take it into the bin, unload it, and we'll see what's left. I'll probably have to come back for another load. Anyway, guys, my battery is just about dead. This is the first harvest video of the year, and like I've said before, a lot of times this first video just doesn't go all that well. But I'll get in the groove of doing the harvest videos here pretty soon, and be a little more fun once we get into corn. I like doing corn better than soybeans, but this is what we're doing, what we're going to be doing for a little while, so this is what you're getting. Don't forget to check out the Fox Shop Barbecue, the Fox Shop BBQ. There'll be a link for that down below in the description, and check that out. Got some big things coming there. Also, if you're interested in any kind of merch, got t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, channel stickers. Need to work on that, get some new stuff coming out, but there'll be a link down below for that as well. And if you would, give this video a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell. That way you always know when I upload a video. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.